Hi, ladies, and welcome to Friday's advisory lesson on College and Career Week. First off, I'm sorry that I couldn't be there today. I am taking a couple of days off to spend time with a high school friend who I haven't seen since I graduated high school in 2000, so that was like almost 18 years ago. And she's moving out to the Bay Area, so I figured I'd take a couple of days while she looks for housing. Anyway, what are we going to talk about today in advisory? Uh, we have an update on advisory bonding day. As you know, that's scheduled for Wednesday of College and Career Week, and yes, that's a free dress day. Our initial plan was to go to the Exploratorium in Pier 39. Unfortunately, we could not get the booking at the Exploratorium, so that plan is out. However, instead of going to the Exploratorium in Pier 39, what we're going to do is we're going to have a picnic at Golden Gate Park. So next time we meet, which will be on Monday, we will start planning out some details about how we want to roll that out. I've already booked us a field, so we have a location. We don't have to like traipse around with stuff, and hopefully that should be enjoyable. All right, so what you need to do, and you can do that in a moment, is you need to pick up one of the permission slips, which should be found in a folder on my desk. Take it home to your parents, have them read it, and sign it. If they have any questions, they can call or text me at the number that's on the permission slip. Once you get that signed, make sure you return it on Monday so I get a sense of who is able to go if there are any questions or concerns. If you would like, you can pause this video right now and go pick up a permission slip from the folder on my desk. And then when you get back, you can press play again. Okay, the last thing that we're going to talk about is Thursday and Friday. As you know, of College and Career Week, we're having college visits, and we're visiting Stanford and UC Berkeley. So one thing before going there is to get any questions or things that you are wondering about these campuses addressed before going, or have those questions ready for the day. So if you want, you can think about like what's one thing you want to know about them um, before going. Here are some things about Cal that you may not know. It's public. Is it public or private? Cal is actually a public option, so that usually means for California students they have a smaller tuition. Um, in terms of expense or affordability, Cal meets students' financial need based on family incomes. So you may have to take out a small amount of loans though to cover the cost of going to Cal if you choose to. And Cal is pretty large, over 29,000 students, and that's like 58 times the size of LPS. Finally, as you know, Cal is located in Berkeley, so it's more of a city environment, and there's a lot to do nearby. Stanford, on the other hand, is a private institution. That means that every student pays the same amount of tuition regardless where they're from. So California students don't get a discount. Um, in terms of affordability, it has a very large sticker price. So that means the cost of tuition, etc. So they have you pay what you can afford in the same way that Cal though has though. So that's a pretty good thing. So that means that if you can afford more, you pay more, and if you can't, you pay less. So that's pretty good. Stanford is mid-size. It has over 7,000 students, so it's not as big as Cal. That's like 14 times the size of LPS. And Stanford is located in Palo Alto, which it's an urban environment, probably not as urban as Berkeley, but there's still a lot to do nearby. Okay, so that's some stuff about those colleges. But before we forget, make sure you pick up a permission slip and return it on Monday, and then we'll plan that out on Monday. Have a quality weekend, ladies. Bye.